we're just going to finish off with a little cool down now, just to get our bodies nice and relaxed and to get our temperature completely back to normal. So we're going to start with 4 deep inhales, breathing in and breathing out. We're going to do that 4 times, and then we're going to do 4 shoulder rolls backwards and 4 shoulder rolls forwards. Then we are just going to lean over, and we're going to do that 4 times, 2 one way, 2 the other way. Let's start with the deep inhales. Breathing in 3, 2, 1. Breathing in and out, and in and out, and in and out. Rolling up, shoulder rolls. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just leaning over and over to the other side, and again, and last time to the other side. Now bringing the feet closer together, just somewhere that's comfortable. We're just going to take the arm across, pulling it, not where the elbow is, but slightly further up, or slightly lower down towards the wrist, wherever's comfortable for you. And swapping the other way, and the other way. Last time, swapping over. Good. Now taking any arm, you just want to put it behind your head, putting your hand on your back, like you're giving yourself a little pat on the back. And then just stretch the arm backwards. You should feel a nice stretch all the way down there. And now the other arm. Again, we'll do this 4 times. And the other arm. Last time. Great. Now let's loosen up that neck and head. Just pulling the head over, getting the ear as close to the shoulder as possible. Rolling all the way around to the other side. I'll just do that twice more. One side, and again to the other side. Great, just shake it all off. Now let's just go into some legs, just to cool down the legs. We're just gonna take a nice stretch. You can hold on to something if you need to. You can hold on to the wall, you can hold on to a chair. Just grabbing the foot, getting the foot as close to the bum as possible. If you're here or wherever you are, that's fine, just as long as you feel a little stretch up your leg. And hold it there for 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. And the other side, grabbing the foot, pulling it into the bum, and holding for 4, 3, 2, 1. We're just going to circle, roll the feet round. That's it. And the other way. Oh, my ankles are cracking. Very good. Now we're just going to go into a very short little yoga cool down, just with some last few stretches. I'm going to show you first, and then we're going to do it together. So all you're going to do is you're going to start by breathing in and breathing out and rolling down. Rolling all the way down. A slight bend in the knees at the bottom, and then you can walk out to downward dog. Slowly lowering the knees We're going to do 4 sad cats, happy cats, which look like this. An arch in the spine, a curve looking up to the ceiling, two, 3, and 4. Then pushing back into child's pose, really stretching those jazz hands right out in front of you. That's it. And then we'll roll up and let's try all together. Everyone breathing in. Breathing in. Nice big deep breath. Breathing out and rolling down, head first. Rolling all the way down. Slight bend in the knees at the bottom. And then just slowly walk the hands out into downward dog. Just hold it here, breathing. Now lowering the knees onto all 4s. And let's go for our sad cat, happy cats. Curving the spine. Dipping the spine. This is 2, 3, and last one, 4. Now sitting back into child's pose and just taking a nice stretch here. Now if you just roll onto your backs for me. Start by hugging the legs into the chest and just rolling on the spine. You're going to let go of one leg. Just either lower it, foot to the floor, or extend it full leg to the floor. And then just pull the knee to the chest. Just hold it here for 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch over. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bringing the knees back up to the ceiling. Just roll into fetus position. And then in your own time, just coming back up to sitting. And that's the end.